Part of doing a brake job right is making sure that all brake surfaces and components are clean. Brakleen Brake Parts Cleaner from CRC Industries quickly and easily removes brake dust, grease, oil, and road grime. The original aerosol brake parts cleaner, it's been the #1 choice of automotive technicians and do-it-yourselfers for more than 40 years. And CRC Brake Clean is easy to use. It does most of the work for you. Simply wet down the surfaces that need cleaning by spraying in short bursts at a distance of roughly 18 to 24 inches. Make sure to avoid getting overspray on plastic, rubber, or painted surfaces. It's a powerful cleaner. After all surfaces are wetted, continue spraying to remove contaminants. Use a wire brush to clean the caliper housing and backing plate to remove all dirt and dust. Let the parts air dry after an application or wipe down with a clean rag. It's possible that heavy deposits of grime may require a repeat application. The chlorinated formula in the red can is the most powerful brake clean available, but CRC offers multiple brake clean formula options to meet any state regulations and requirements. And if you're installing new brakes, use brake clean on the new rotors to remove the protective oil they use in packaging. Use CRC brake clean on rotors, hub and rotor contact points, on the caliper assemblies, brake linings, cylinders, drums, CV joints, clutches, springs, bolts, fasteners, and all brake hardware. Once all your brake parts are clean and new parts are installed, we recommend Sileramic brake system grease from CRC. It protects all moving caliper hardware, backing plates, and any mating surfaces from dirt and corrosion. Be sure to use CRC Brakleen Brake Parts Cleaner, the product preferred by automotive techs for a brake job done right.